Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to use EV features on Google Maps. To use EV features on Google Maps, let's go to Android Auto menu and Settings. Scroll all the way down and find Electric Vehicle Settings. Switch this button to enable this function. Select your plug. And now let's take a look at the map. Let's go to Settings. Here we can prefer fuel efficient routes and search for charging stations. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.